Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get your YouTube 2025 recap, and I'll also be showing you guys on what you can do if it's not showing up for you yet. So the first thing you can do is you are going to want to uninstall and install YouTube again, like the app. If that doesn't work, you can go to youtube.com/replay, and it's going to pop up recap. Sorry, I'm tired. It's going type in YouTube/recap, and there's going to be a notification kind of pop-up thing, and you're going to go to your YouTube. And if you still can't find it, they are still kind of rolling it out for people, so you'll get it. I didn't get it for one day, and now I have it. So it's right here. It says your 2025 recap is here. Celebrate your year on YouTube. Get yours now. Let's press on it, and let's see. 2025 YouTube recap. 2025 is almost over. Okay, I didn't even have time to read that. You explored many things. Okay. Your top interests: exploring different cuisines, travel destinations, gaming events, karaoke songs, and theme park adventures. 388 channels this year. Okay. Your top channels: obviously Harrison Webb. Obviously, I watch him every week. There was one channel okay. Yeah, I know that. Oh my gosh, I just love his videos. In 2025, you showed many different sides of you. Foodie, you have a real passion for exploring different cuisines and food trends, from street eats to fine dining. Cool. Travel lover, entertainment fan. The sides of you, okay. Nicely with one personality type. Let's see which one. You're drawn to content that takes you on an exciting journey. Yeah, but I don't actually traveling. I don't know. Some moments from your year. Okay. Different restaurants. Oh my god. Focus on gaming. Watch music videos. Okay. Not only did you watch, you also listened. Your top songs. Okay, it's a lot of karaoke. Your top artist, obvious. Justin Bieber. Why is he here? Sorry. Vanderbilt. What? You were all in. Your top games: Valorant, Phasmo, Roblox, Counter-Strike, Trust to Impress. Cool. You can also get your music recap, but I don't use YouTube Music. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.